Hello students, welcome to our channel Education, Fun and Fitness. Today we are going to learn about phonic sounds. So do you know how many letters are there in English? Yes, there are 26 alphabets. From these 26 alphabets, we can make 44 phonic sounds. But in this video, we are going to discuss about 26 phonic sounds from these 26 letters. So let's start. A. A makes the sound A. A for apple. B. B makes the sound B. B. Ball. C. C makes the sound K. K. Cat. D makes the sound D. D. Dog. E. E makes the sound A. Egg. F. F makes the sound F. F. Fish. G. G makes the sound G. G. Goat. H. H makes the sound H. H. Horse. I. I makes the sound E. E. Ink pot. J. J makes the sound J. J. Joker. K. K makes the sound K. K. Kite. L. L makes the sound L. L. Lion. M. M makes the sound M. M. Mango. N. N makes the sound N. N. Nest. O. O makes the sound O. O. Owl. P. P makes the sound P. P. Parrot. Q. Q makes the sound Q. Q. Quilt. R. R makes the sound R. R. Rose. S. S makes the sound S. S. Sun. T. T makes the sound T. T. Tiger. U. U makes the sound Urn. V. V makes the sound V. V. Van. W. W makes the sound W. W. Watch. X. X makes the sound X. Xmas tree. Y. Y makes the sound Y. Y. Yak. Z. Z makes the sound Z. Z. Zebra. So I hope now you understand the letters and their phonic sounds. So with this, English will be very easy for you people to speak. Try to make words with these letters and these phonic sounds. Do subscribe this channel if you are new to this channel and hit the bell icon ting 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 for more notifications. Thanks. Have a nice day.